struggling to hit your protein goal, then try tempeh. It's one of the best lean veg protein food. And finally, it's in India. Tempeh is a new vegetarian food made by fermenting whole non-GMO soybean. It has 19 gram of protein per 100 gram, while being low in carbs and fat, and only has 178 calories. Pretty good, right? It's low in carb, low in fat, and good for your gut. Super easy to cook, and you should try. As tempeh is fermented, it's good for your gut, easy to digest, and has better bioavailability than other vegetarian protein. I got tempeh from Hello Tempeh, and they have tempeh cubes in both natural and pre-marinated version. I have these three flavors: Szechuan chili, tawa masala, and then peri peri. So today I'm going to cook with peri peri. Cooking with tempeh is super simple. Since I'm using marinated tempeh cubes, I have to just simply pan toast the cubes in some oil for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium flame till it turns golden brown. And you can add it into any recipe. Here I am adding into my own salad. So what are you waiting for? Try tempeh. I'll share the exclusive code and link in the description box below. Go order yourself tempeh.